today I'm going for a silent book reading, and I'm so excited because I have been a part of this club which is led by Shantanu Naidu for say about a month now, but this is the first time I'm going, and this also happens to be their 1 year anniversary, so I'm so excited. The session starts at 8 o'clock and goes up till 10 o'clock, 8, 9, 10, yeah, 2 hours. So yeah, and I'll just quickly show what all I have in my bag. So I have my wallet, then this is so random, it is legit like 7:30 in the morning and I'm doing like what's in my bag. A random handkerchief, random as in it's mine, so random handkerchief. So I have gotten this book which is 40 Rules of Love, and yeah, I'm halfway through it, but I'm really excited to read it like you know, with people, because I always prefer I have always read on my own, so it would be really amazing to know like what it's like to read with people. Then I have a mini fan just in case I feel like really like you know, like I start sweating and stuff, in case there are no fans. And this might be the most sobo thing I carry in my bag. Then I have an umbrella which I don't want to take out right now, and yeah, this is my jhola. So yeah, let's go. I'm excited. Also, I forgot to mention like the most important part, and that is the whole reading session is at the David Sassoon Library, which I am so, like, I think that is my biggest motivation to go. Also, this is my first time, this was the biggest motivation to go because Sunday is the day where I absolutely cannot wake up. Like, I cannot wake up on a Sunday, but the location just made it like even more, you know, amazing to go. So, I'm absolutely motivated. Let's go, guys. So it's pouring, it's pouring a little bit. Right now it's stopped and it's drizzling, but the location is so beautiful, I just can't comprehend. It's so beautiful. So we are going to go here. It's so pretty, it's so pretty, oh my god.
We've always been met with the fact that how can this be? People are amazed and in awe. And I remember that happened in Juhu Beach also when Gargi was there, and someone had come and said what's going on, and they were clicking pictures as if it's something unusual, unnatural or unique. That's how far gone we are as a society in terms of not having a reading community or presence of reading in our lives. But when they see so many people together reading, it's become a novelty now. We don't want to be a novelty. We want to bring it back as the norm. We want to normalize this. This doesn't have to be a unique experience. It should not be a unique experience. The collective cognitive capacity, thinking capacity, creativity, art, everything gets boosted of the entire country if you have reading as a part of your life. And it is on you to be the ambassadors of that, and not only when you're here. When you're here, you now have a strong community, you belong, we've all built this together. We will continue to take you to places and curate experiences, we'll do all of that. But while you are out and about in the world, it is your responsibility to think how you can induct people into this community, even if they're not coming here. But as readers, as people, you can propagate to, why don't you give this book a shot? Make a mental list of books that people who absolutely detest reading can start with. Some introductory books or some categories of books that you can just give them, right? So it's not just about coming here as a community, that's going nowhere. It's about what you're going to do to spread this and make it viral in a non-internet sense across the country. Okay? It's been 1 year. We have 15 WhatsApp groups with 1,000 people, 1,200 people each. So that's over almost 20,000 people just online. So some of them come, some of them don't come, which is fine. But we have 20,000 readers engaged with us in a single community. And while they might be entertained only by the very stupid questions you ask on the group, they're still there. They're hanging in, right? So tomorrow, if we become India's second largest reading community and somebody takes us over, that will only be a sense of pride for us, because we paved the way and we got people to do it in multiple pockets, even if it's not us. Doesn't matter.
Why?
For us, what matters is we have each other, we read, and we go out and spread this culture. Okay? So did you enjoy your experience at David Supreme?
Yes. I just got done with the bookie session and now I'm thinking right next to it is like West Side. So I'm thinking I'll just go shop there a little bit or just look around because there was sale recently and I couldn't go because I saw the reels where people were like there was a lot of rush, so I tried to avoid it, but I'll just go take a look now. It was such an amazing session. I absolutely loved it and it was so good, like interacting with new people, and so many people like came up to me and said, hey, we have read this book, so it felt really good. I'm definitely going to go again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.